What causes a drug relapse? That's a broad question, but I would say in a nutshell, it's some form of stress that's occurred in their life and they have not yet developed the proper coping mechanisms. So, for example, in my past, when I quit, or when I tried stopping, I could last maybe a week or so, but I felt so sick from the withdrawals, and that itself was a trigger that I just had so many cravings because I was feeling physically unwell. So it's not just psychological cravings, but physical ones as well. So being sick from the withdrawal, otherwise known as dope sickness, can trigger a relapse. Other things though are stress, other stresses. So things like I had been clean for about a week or so, and then I got into a major argument with my wife or a major argument with my mother. And the stresses involved with that is just the addict hasn't quite learned yet to undo this behavior. They've learned they go to their crutch as a way of avoiding the emotional pain going on with this stressor in their life. So that is a big trigger, some sort of stress, whether it's psychological or physical. They could also relapse simply because they're bored and lack of desire. So that's a depressive symptom where they just don't care. There's a lack of energy there. They just seem to be not willing. They don't seem to care about anything in life. They've lost energy and enthusiasm. And in that situation, I think it's even a more higher risk because that person needs to get to treatment immediately. So in summary, what causes a drug relapse? There could be physical symptoms of withdrawal or dope sickness. There can be a psychological stressor, like a major argument with somebody, or even a smaller argument, some sort of disagreement. And finally, people who just don't seem to care either way. They're ambivalent, and those are the highest risks.